Uh, so hello, welcome to the channel. I figured I'd make a video for kids about how to make your first crane. Please note that this video is, upside down, unfortunately. So, basically, to start off, take a sheet of paper. I'm using thin paper because I couldn't find, regular copy paper. But, fold it one corner down to the side so you have like this, then flip it over, fold this extra part down, and hick it, and tear it. This is what I usually do for regular paper. It's the easiest way to make origami paper. Plus, this gives you your first fold along the middle. Next, we're going to flip it over, fold this corner to this corner. Which will give you an X. Flip it over again. Now, fold it this way, and fold this edge to the other edge. Be sure to run your fingers along the crease lines so you can see them. And then do the same thing. Once you made those two folds, you should have a plus and a cross. This is what I like to call the foundational folds of origami. This fold here, the one we flipped to do, is called a mountain fold, where you fold away. These folds where you fold toward yourself is called a valley fold. Now you'll see why we did this crease here flipped over. So basically, you're gonna want to fold along this line here, bringing this point here to this point here. But don't flatten it. Open it and press this crease down. Do the same thing on the other side. Press it in, then fold. You'll start to see like a three-dimensional diamond thing. Now, using the last two creases as a guide, squash down the paper. Now you have what's called either a square base or a preliminary base, is the technical term. Now, you're going to take the side that you can open and fold it up to the middle. Do that on the other side also. Now, fold this point along this line so you have like this. Unfold these three folds. Take this point and fold it up along here. The model won't lie flat. Push out these corners and fold it like this. This is one of the more complicated parts of the model. And do the same thing on the other sides. This is half of what's called a bird base. To get the full base, do the other side also. Make sure this tip matches the other point. And flatten. Notice you have 2 points here at the bottom. Flatten the model and turn over. Now take this edge if you were looking at it like you should be, and fold it to the center. This will basically thin this flap. Do the same thing on the other side until you have it like this. Now, take it and unfold one of the sides. Open it. Push this part up. Reverse it in on itself. And close it. So you have like that. This is called an inside reverse fold. Next, do the same thing at the tip of it. Push down, reverse, and close. Now, reverse the other side, but don't do the second reverse. Now, lay it flat and fold the wings down. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, posing. Fold the wings a little up and pull them out a little to add dimension into the model. There. You've now completed an origami crane. This is the most traditional origami that you will often see when non-origamists use the term origami. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. That was it.